Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a navigation bar for your website using Canva. If you've been working on your very own Canva website and you're ready to give it that polished, professional touch like a smooth, clickable navigation menu, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and preview a navigation bar, as well as how it'll look for both desktop and mobile visitors. So let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, let's make sure you've got your website all set up in Canva. You'll want to have your pages and content in place before adding that navigation menu, so if you haven't done that yet, just take a moment to build out your site. Think of it like putting together the rooms of a house before you hang the front door. Once your site is built and you're happy with the look, head over to your design dashboard. Now with your website ready, look towards the top right corner of Canva. You'll see an option labeled Preview. Go ahead and click that. What this does is it puts you in a sort of visitor's view so you can see your website exactly as your audience will see it. This step is important because sometimes little design quirks only show up once you're in preview mode, so take a second to make sure your pages flow smoothly. Once you're in preview mode, pay attention to the menu bar that pops up at the bottom of the screen. Down here, you'll spot the setting labeled Include Navigation Menu. It's usually a simple checkbox or toggle switch. By enabling this option, Canva automatically generates a navigation bar that links to each of your website pages. This feature is super handy because it spares you the trouble of manually linking buttons or shapes for each page, and it keeps your navigation clean and consistent throughout your site. If you're someone who likes things organized, or if your website has multiple pages, this will make life so much easier for both you and your visitors. Here's something cool. Canva lets you see how your navigation bar will look on both desktop and mobile devices. You can easily switch back and forth between the desktop and mobile previews, using the icons at the top or the bottom of the preview screen. I really recommend taking a close look at both views because sometimes the navigation layout can shift or get condensed on mobile. It's a bit like trying on clothes before you buy them. You want to make sure everything looks and fits right in every environment. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always jump back into your design and make tweaks. Now, when it comes to publishing your website, here's something you should know. At the time of this recording, some Canva accounts might not see the Publish button in the preview window, so don't be alarmed if it isn't there. Usually the Publish button is found right between Preview and Share on the top bar, but sometimes features move around, especially if you're using an advanced or updated version of Canva. If you can't find that button, try checking the Share menu as well or check your Canva dashboard for updates. The key thing is not to panic. Your navigation settings will be saved, ready for you to publish once the option appears. And there you have it, creating a navigation bar in Canva is that simple. With just a couple of clicks, your website instantly gets easier to use and a lot more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other Canva questions. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.